Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Hope you guys are doing good. I'm really sorry I was not able to do any videos last week. So I was caught up in a lot of personal work and everything. So this week we are going to, do some measurates. I hope you guys saw my shots. So if not, not to worry. I'm just going to showcase here. So let's start with this. So this is a Mitsubishi Lancer Evolution 9 along with Isuzu NPR. That's a truck. So this one. I mean this particular set is really nice because see every set they are releasing three set actually, three separate cars. So last time we bought these three, if you guys remember, this one and that one. So these three, Supra, the Honda S2000, and I think this is Sylvia. So these three we bought, and they always go with the purple for the best one. So in this set all three are actually best, but I personally love the color scheme they went with. So this is a Lancer, and this one you can see it has acrylic headlights and everything. So let's go to the next one, which is this. So I personally love this one because the livery on this one looks absolutely awesome, and this one actually has the rubber tire inserts as well. It does have acrylic headlights and everything. So we are going to anyway unbox and see this. So so last time they went with perfect color match, if you guys see. So it has purple car, purple truck. So you know same goes there also, you can see, but it is not exactly matching, but the color contrast actually it complemented each other really well. So this time what they did was, so this one they went with similar color. I mean, you can see the body kit matching with this entire body of the truck. So let me put this away a little for a minute. But this one you can see actually nothing is matching in this one, but it does look really good. Let me showcase you the second or last one real quick. Here it is. So you can see this, the Sprinter Torino A86. This is going to be a lot of people's favorite. I know Hot Wheels also released the similar casting, this exact casting in this exact color, but I don't know what, it has some kind of Japanese writings, I don't know what it is, but I know it is available. I didn't get it because after I saw this one, I was not even remotely interested in Hot Wheels version. So because this one actually has pop-up headlights, as far as I know. This actually came in three different variations. This is my favorite one because of the color scheme on this. So there are two more, which is the mainline version, not exactly mainline, that is the semi-premium, as you say. This I think 299 or so, that particular version. So that is the that has the base livery, you would say, the white with the black stripe like you see in this initial D anime. So that version is there, and the second one is the tune-up series version that has everything similar, but the color scheme is entirely different. So I didn't get it yet because the first set which we got in India, at least in Chennai, was this set. So I bought these three immediately. But these tune up and semi premium version, the new ones are yet to reach Chennai. So I'm not going to buy this again, but I will see if I really want to keep one in inside my car or in outside somewhere in the showcase, not in the showcase. I'm having one more small showcase in my living room where I keep my Spider-Man, some of my Spider-Man and everything. So I might buy one more. Let's see. But I personally love this particular color scheme, and you can see here why I said there is a difference. So they went with purple bed here, but entire purple color on the vehicle here. So there is that one difference compared to the previous version. So we can actually mix and match. So you can actually keep this on this one. It will match exactly. So only difference being the livery on this one, you can see this says Hachiroku, but this one doesn't, right? So that's the only difference. So with that said, this is what we will be unboxing this week, and thank you for watching this video, guys. Have a great day. Goodbye.